Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Step 1. Analyze molecule A. Progesterone or similar steroid. Steroids of this type, progesterone, have 6 chiral centers, C5, C8, C9, C10, C13, C14, C17 region, typically counted as 6. 6 is an even number, so Q applies. The molecule is optically active, no internal mirror plane, so R also applies. It is not meso, P, and does not have an odd number of chiral centers, so S does not apply. Hence AQ, R. Step 2. Analyze molecule B. Mifepristone-like steroid. The aromatic B ring removes 2 chiral centers compared to fully saturated steroids. Counting the stereocenters, C8, bold bond at junction with aromatic ring, C13, bold bond, angular me, C17, dashed wedge, OH and alkenyl group, the structure has approximately 5 chiral centers, an odd number. The compound is optically active, no internal mirror plane present. Hence, R for optically active and S for odd number of chiral centers. Hence BR, S. Step 3. Analyze molecule. See the bicyclic tricyclic cage lactam with 2 carbonyls and an NH. Examining the ring junction hydrogens shown on wedge dash, this compound has an even number of chiral centers. Because of the cage symmetry, the molecule can still be optically active. It is not a meso compound. The 2 ring junction H atoms shown suggest a specific configuration that does not produce an internal mirror plane. Hence, Q, even chiral centers, and R, optically active. Hence CQ, R. Step 4. Analyze molecule. D. The structure drawn is mesotartaric acid, 2, 3, dehydroxybutanoic acid, with both OH groups drawn on the same side, both pointing right in the Fisher projection, H on left, O on right for both carbons. In a Fisher projection with identical top and bottom halves and opposite configurations at C2 and C3, this is the meso form. Mesotartaric acid has 2 chiral centers, even number, but possesses an internal plane of symmetry making it optically inactive. Hence, T, meso compound, and Q, even number of chiral centers. Hence DP, Q. Summary of why other options fail. A. Is not meso, no internal mirror plane in progesterone, not odd chiral centers. B. Is not meso, not even chiral centers. C. Is not meso, not odd chiral centers. D. Is not optically active, it is meso, not odd chiral centers. Therefore, the correct answer is AQ, R, BR, as CQ, R, DP, Q. The correct answer is shown on screen.